Hi guys, today I'm going to teach you how you can make a simple home automation system using a Wi-Fi based microcontroller called NodeMCU and a software called Blynk. Let's get started. First guys, you will need a NodeMCU. Then guys, you'll need a relay module. I'm using 2-channel relay module, but if you want to control more devices, you can use relay module with more channels. Then guys, you will need jumper cables to connect. Then you will need a breadboard. This is an optional choice guys, I am using to make it easier. Then guys, you'll need a standard USB cable. So first things first guys, you need to go to the first link in the description and download Arduino IDE. So open your browser, select the version or your Windows version, then you need to install. So I already have it pre-installed, so I'm not gonna waste time doing it. Then guys, go to the second link in the description and download NodeMCU drivers. So go to your favorite browser, go to the link, select your Windows version and download the zip file. So need to extract it. So I've already pre-extracted one. So to open that, based on x86 or x64 you need to select. I've already done it before, so I'm not going to waste time on that again. Then guys, you need to download the Blynk release code. Open the third link in the description, go to your favorite browser and you need to download the latest version. So you need to extract the zip file, open it. You need to copy these two folders, go to this PC, then Documents, Arduino, and delete the existing folders. Then you need to paste the new ones. It takes some time, please bear with me guys. Then guys, you need to go to the fourth link in the description, make sure you copy that and open Arduino IDE. I have a few bugs with it, but please don't mind guys, my Arduino IDE works a bit slow. So we'll give it time to open. If you want, you can skip this part guys. Then once it opens, go to File, Preferences, and paste the link here. So I already done it before, so I'm pressing cancel. So go to Tools, Boards, Board Managers, and wait for it to install. So I've already pre-installed it, but I'm going to show you guys because this is an important step. Then type ESP8266 and I've already installed it, so the install button is great. Then guys, I'm putting it to full screen. I told you I have some bugs, please don't mind. Then guys, you need to choose your board to NodeMCU. So I've already chosen it before. Then guys, you need to select the program. Open Arduino IDE, File, Examples, scroll down and search Blynk. Search for Blynk. Then guys, search for boards underscore Wi-Fi and select on ESP8266 standalone. Then guys, in your Android phone, you need to download and install Blynk App. Then you need to log in. So I've already downloaded and installed and logged in. Click on create new project. I'm gonna name it as automation. You can give your optional name. Then guys, choose the board. So ours is NodeMCU, so you need to choose NodeMCU. So that's all guys. Then you need to click on create. You can even change the theme to black or white. So click on create and there will be some auth token sent to your mail address. Here in my mailbox I received an email from Blynk. You need to copy this auth token and open Arduino IDE. Once you open it, you need to paste it in this blank in the code. So then you need to enter your SSID and password. Just for this video, I've changed my SSID and password. You need not change it. You can enter your own SSID and password. So once you enter your Wi-Fi credentials, then you can upload the code. I'm gonna skip the uploading part for you. Then here in Blynk App, guys, you need to click on the plus button, add a button. You can drag it anywhere to make it look stylish. Click on the button to adjust its properties. So set this to 1 and set this to 0. Then set the pin number. I'm using D1, you can use a desired pin number. Then I'm gonna name it as D1, you can name it on your own. You can give an optional name. Then one more button, click on it to adjust its properties again. Then guys, set this to 1 and set this to 0. Again, I'm gonna set the pin value. So I'm gonna set it to D2, you can select your desired one. I'm gonna name it as D2. You can set your optional name. You can use it as a push or switch. Then I'm gonna test the button. Then guys, connect the NodeMCU to the relay module like this. Here is the final product guys. As you can see, the relay is turning on. To the second relay, I've plugged in a fan to just show you guys. Hope you like this video guys. If you like this video, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe.